thing is getting full. I can feel it just when I hit the gas. Does not want to accelerate as fast as it usually does. Okay. Done. Oh no, it's not done. It's not done. They just didn't want to close the lid. So we're gonna go right and make a left. It's too confusing to explain it. But I'm kind of in a get it done mode because it's going to be a busy day today. I'm glad that this arm is moving a lot smoother than it was this morning, especially coming in because it was going slow even when it was like getting warmed up, and I was getting nervous I was gonna have to deal with that all day. But we're good. Alright, 3 in a row. Let's see if I can get a perfect score. So when I pick it up and they're close like that, I just let the truck roll forward a little bit, spread it out so I can open up the grabber and just move on to the next one. one thing you do when you don't know the route that well is you want to make a right, or you want to make turns from the main road, and you want to U-turn on a side road for obvious reasons. So I gotta leave these lids open, make it easier without having to look through the route sheet every time. See if I got it or not. And yes, there is always a technique for everything, including leaving the lids open on a garbage can. It's pretty simple, but you just kind of go with the way the lid's going. So there you go, just like that. Not a really good explanation, but I don't got time to explain right now.